We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to put wheel spacers on it could be an Infiniti G35, it could be an Infiniti G37, it could be a M35 or M37, but today we're doing an M37 2012. So I need wheel spacers on because I'm going to put my 18 G35S wheels on my M37 wheels, and this is the S Sport, so it has the Brembo brakes. So as you can see, I put them on, but it wasn't able to clear, so now we got to go ahead and put the spacers on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get to taking all this stuff off, and let me show y'all the spacers we're gonna be using. All right, pretty simple install. So here's the spacers here. I got these off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And this is what they look like here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these on. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So we're gonna take all of these off, and let me jack the car up, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, the only thing you need for this job is a 21 millimeter. I got an impact socket and I got a regular socket, so I can tighten these on because the impact socket is thicker right here, as you can see. Set that right there. Now we gotta go ahead and put these on. Just set them on like that. So you're gonna take the same bolts that you got off, and then you're gonna put them on the actual wheel lug nut. So that's the first step right there. On the actual wheel lug nut. And this does come with Loctite, but I'm literally just doing this for the sake of this video. Well, if you watch my real channel, you know why I'm doing this. So I'm literally just taking one drive and coming right back. So it's not necessary, but you would want to put some Loctite on the bolts before you before you tighten them. But I'm literally just going somewhere and I'm coming right back and I'm putting my wheels back on. So forgot one right here. All right, so now we about to tighten them up with the gun. All right, that's tight. Now we're gonna put our 18-inch wheel on. That is going to clear the brake caliper perfectly, because when I first put it on, it was not clearing the brake caliper. So that's why I needed these wheel spacers. And again, I'm taking these wheel spacers right back off tomorrow morning, literally, and putting my 20-inch wheels back on. I'm gonna go back to the impact socket, 21 millimeter. that's it. So the link for these will be in the description below. Again, you can use them for the G35, the G37, the G25, the M35, the M37, and probably a couple of more Infinitis, I'm not sure. But the link will be in the description below, and that's how you put wheel spacers on your car.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at the auction. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money, guys. Here are some testimonials right here, as you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. I got 2 packages on there for you guys, so click the link in the description below, wehustledaily.com.